Welcome to our channel. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of accessing the Student Progress Center for East Baton Rouge Parish, EBR, at ebr.edgear.net. Whether you are a student or a parent, getting the right information about academic progress has never been easier. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use for internet access. Step 2. Navigate to the EBR Student Progress Center. In the address bar, type in the URL ebr.edgear.net. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to proceed to the website. Step 3. Accessing the login page. Once the page loads, you will see the login interface. Look for the input fields where you can enter your credentials. Step 4. Enter your username. In the designated username field, enter your student or parent username. If you're unsure about your username, you may need to contact your school for assistance. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, move to the password field. Carefully type in your password. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so make sure to enter it exactly as it was provided. Step 6. Click the Login button. After entering your username and password, locate the Login button at the bottom of the login form. Click it to proceed to your account. Step 7. Navigating the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Student Progress Center dashboard. Here, you can view grades, attendance records, and other important academic information pertaining to your performance. Step 8. Logging out. When you finish using the portal, don't forget to log out for security purposes. Look for the Logout option, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click it to end your session. Follow these simple steps to easily access the EBR Student Progress Center and stay updated on your academic journey. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.